Hey, it's Luana and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. In today's episode, we're gonna be making ambrosia salad. And I know what you're thinking. It's not your favorite no-bake dessert, but I really enjoy it and I think you will too. So without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients we'll need are pistachio pudding mix, some Mandarin oranges, crushed pineapple, fruit cocktail, little mini marshmallows, some Cool Whip, and cottage cheese. Yum! Pro tip, use a bigger bowl than I did. And the first step is to mix all the canned fruit into the bowl, making sure to strain the Mandarin oranges and the fruit cocktail of its syrup. And after that's done, we're going to add everybody's favorite cottage cheese. And then empty the entire pouch of the pistachio pudding mix into the bowl. And yes, while you begin to mix it, it will turn an unnatural neon green color. Then we're going to mix in the Cool Whip to give this dessert its nice fluffy texture. And for more fluff effect, we're going to mix in the mini marshmallows. After all the ingredients are well incorporated, we're going to cover it with saran wrap and place it in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour. After the time's up, give it one last mix, and there you have it, ambrosia salad. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's episode where we're going to be making an easy Italian meatball recipe. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.